look, this is not new in the world of technology, but I will tell you when the intraoral camera came online 20 years ago, 25, maybe 30 years ago, it was huge for patient education. It's the same thing as I talk about today with intraoral scanning. The fact that they could finally take a picture of a tooth that wasn't a radiograph and show it to a patient, and then they could actually see the crack or the old silver filling or the decay or whatever, like that was super empowering. The problem was when I opened my practice, I hate you so much sometimes. When I opened my practice back in 2010, I think I paid $3,500 for my first intraoral camera. Does that sound about right? Now you can get this camera or any intraoral camera, but this one in particular for under $300. I mean, they're not disposable, but they're definitely encroaching the price point of disposable. And I think the fact that I spent $3,500 for a chic intraoral camera when I first opened up makes me nauseous. Nauseous.
We have a camera in our practice that's completely obsolete. I think my business partner paid $16,000 for it back in the day.
I'm telling you, it's insane what they used to cost.
Everybody that comes in, our office was built around these cameras. So there's like this little pocket in our cabinetry, and they're like, "Oh, you had an EyeCam? Those things were the best. Those things were the best." And you look back on what you spent on them, but here's an added benefit that you didn't mention. Not only is the camera around the $300 price point range, it comes with a replacement clause.
Right.
Now, what I will say is that cameras have gotten to the point of being so inexpensive, they're basically disposable. You're done with it?
Yeah.
It goes right in the trash. This one here, it craps out on you within the first year. There is a discount after within the first year to replace it if needed. After a couple years, it truly is disposable, but Shofu's done a great job of putting a little replacement disclaimer, if you will, on selling that camera. And it is a wonderful little camera. It takes great photos. I think everybody needs one in every op, and it's so affordable that you can do so.
For sure. And now at the price point, I mean, it's really dumb not to have one. And while I love an intraoral scan, and I'm a pretty big advocate for it, 3 seconds. 3 seconds, I can take a quick photo. If I'm prepping a crown and I get in there and I find fracture lines running mesial distal, I want to make sure I document my buildup. Whatever it is that I find, I can grab that camera really quick, snap a really high quality photo so I can send that to the insurance company, document what I saw when I was in there so that I don't forget when the patient comes in with biting pain in 3 years. And I'm like, oh yeah, well, had a giant fracture in it. So we've saved it for 3 years. Like all that stuff is easily documented. You can do that with an intraoral scan. And again, I use them a ton, but that's way longer and a bigger piece of equipment. If I can just grab this little $280 camera or whatever and grab the things that I need, like it makes it a very easy workflow process in your practice.